To write and run a Python program, we need to have a Python interpreter installed on your computer. This interpreter is also called Python shell. Let's start with Python installation on your system. First thing, you have to open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, under the download, you can see the latest version of Python in Windows section. So here latest version in Python 3.11.4 version is still upgrading, and in future you will get another advanced version. So go ahead and download Python. Let's wait and then run it. You have to click the checkbox and add Python path. So now go ahead and install it. We got one prompt as setup was successful. Now let's verify about installation has been done or not. In window, here in search bar, type cmd. Cmd is short form of command prompt. In command prompt, type Python. You can see here we have successfully installed. So here Python version is 3.11.4. In this stage, Python install on your system. Now we will execute code. So there are two ways to use a Python interpreter for code execution. First one is script mode and second one is interactive mode. Script mode allow us to execute source code file. I already prepared Python code file with name sum.py. In sum.py file, nothing but summation of two variable a and b. Let's C code a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is a summation of a plus b, and print c. Now let's open command prompt and type python space filename dot py. This one is standard syntax to execute your code. So always keep in mind. This one is default directory and it should be your Python code file directory. So first let's change directory and then execute that code. Let's copy this link and type cd space copy this link and execute. Enter. So now we are in Python file directory. So here write Python space followed by sum.py. You got your output as 3 because we are using summation for variable a and b. Variable a value is 1, variable b value is 2. So we got 3 value as out. Let's move to interactive mode. In interactive mode, we can type out code directly on command prompt rather than on file. Go to command prompt, type Python. You can see here triple forward arrow. Triple forward arrow symbol in the Python which indicate that the interpreter is ready to take instructions. Let's do some code here. A is equal to, there is a one variable a, we are taking value as 1, then enter. Again I'm going to take another variable b, I'm taking value as 2. Again I'm going to take another variable as c is equal to a plus b, that is summation of a plus b, then enter and print that c variable here. Now I'm just going to do one enter here and we got 3 values here. So this one is a another way of doing code education.